Welcome back to the Fluent Talk, everyone. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into one of the most important topics for English learners all around the world: how to speak English fluently.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily. If you've ever felt nervous while speaking English, or if you've ever thought, I understand English, but I can't speak it fluently, this episode is made just for you.
Exactly. Fluency isn't only about knowing grammar or vocabulary. It's about using English naturally, confidently, and clearly, just like we're speaking right now.
In today's episode, we'll explore 7 practical steps that can help you speak English fluently. We'll talk about how to train your brain, how to practice daily, and even how to stop translating from your native language.
We'll also share real-life examples, some easy exercises, and common mistakes to avoid.
So grab your notebook, relax, and listen carefully. By the end of this podcast, you'll know not just what to do, but how to do it, to become fluent in English.
Let's begin. Before we jump into the tips, let's understand what fluency really means.
Fluency means you can speak smoothly without too many pauses, hesitations, or mental translations. You don't have to be perfect. Even native speakers make small mistakes. But you should be able to communicate your thoughts easily.
Right. Many learners think fluency means speaking fast, but actually, fluency means flow. It's about being able to speak continuously with confidence.
Exactly. Fluency is a mix of confidence, rhythm, vocabulary, and comprehension. If one of these is weak, your fluency slows down.
And remember, fluency is not something you're born with. It's a skill you build.
Let's start with our first practical tip.
One of the biggest barriers to fluency is translation. Many learners think in their native language first, and then try to translate it into English. That slows down your speaking.
To become fluent, you must train your brain to think directly in English. For example, when you wake up, don't think, I have to brush my teeth in your language. Instead, say it in English. I need to brush my teeth.
Right. You can even practice this by describing what you see. Look around and speak your thoughts in English. The sky is blue. I'm making coffee. My phone is charging.
That's called thinking aloud practice. It helps your brain stay in English mode all day.
At first, it feels strange, but the more you do it, the faster your mind will switch to English automatically.
You can't become fluent if you don't speak regularly. Fluency is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Yes, even if you don't have a speaking partner, you can talk to yourself, record your voice, repeat dialogues from podcasts, or use language apps.
Exactly. You can also shadow, which means listening to native speakers and repeating immediately after them. Copy their tone, pronunciation, and rhythm.
Shadowing helps you sound more natural and fluent, and it's one of the best exercises used by interpreters and professional speakers.
Make English part of your daily life. Speak to your mirror. Talk about your plans and describe your feelings, but always in English.
Fluency also depends on your listening ability. The more you listen to English, the better you understand how words sound and connect.
Exactly. Listen to English podcasts, news, YouTube videos, or movies. Focus on how native speakers use pauses, stress, and emotion.
When you listen carefully, you begin to feel the language. You start copying patterns naturally, without memorizing grammar rules.
That's how children learn languages, by listening first.
So remember, input creates output. Listen every day, and soon your speaking will automatically improve.
Another powerful tip is to stop memorizing single words. Instead, learn word groups or chunks.
For example, instead of learning decision, learn make a decision. Instead of responsible, learn responsible for something.
When you learn phrases, you speak faster because your brain doesn't have to build sentences word by word.
And you sound more natural, like a real speaker.
Try keeping a phrase notebook. Every time you hear a useful expression, write it down and repeat it.
That's how your vocabulary becomes automatic. Many learners are afraid to speak because they don't want to make mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of fluency.
Exactly. You can improve if you stay silent. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Even native speakers make mistakes. The difference is they don't stop. They correct themselves and keep talking.
So when you speak English and make a small error, don't stop. Keep going. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Remember, fluency grows when you speak freely, not when you speak perfectly.
Let's give our listeners a small speaking exercise.
Good idea. Here's a daily practice routine you can follow. Step 1. Choose a short English video, maybe 1 minute long. Step 2. Listen carefully and repeat every sentence aloud. Step 3. Record your voice and compare it to the original. Step 4. Write down 3 new phrases you learned. Step 5. Use those phrases in your own sentences.
Let's try an example right now.
I'll say a sentence, and you can repeat it at home. I'm trying to improve my English every single day.
Now try. I feel more confident every time I speak English.
If you repeat such sentences daily, your fluency will grow faster than you expect.
It's not about long hours. It's about daily consistency.
Let's summarize what we learned today. To speak English fluently, remember these 7 points. 1. Think in English. 2. Speak every day. 3. Listen actively. 4. Learn phrases, not words. 5. Don't fear mistakes. 6. Stay consistent. 7. Enjoy the process.
Fluency doesn't come in a week or a month. It's a journey, a skill you build over time. But if you keep practicing, it will happen.
Yes. Start small. Speak to yourself. Practice shadowing. Listen to podcasts like this one, and be patient.
And most importantly, enjoy English. Don't study it, live it.
We hope this episode of the Fluent Talk helped you understand how to speak English fluently.
If you like today's podcast, follow us for more English speaking practice and listening lessons every week.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Remember, fluency begins the moment you decide to speak.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.